Yo, what the deal? It's your boy B-Lo, man. We up in here with another mother video, man. Right now, today is October 29th, man. This will be I think the second annual Scary Fast. I went to the first one last year. Scary Fast, man. Car show, track, all that good racing type stuff. And my guys here in the city, man. My guy Really Reels, my guy Catfish, Really Reels lady, my dog Angie. Them cats from Chicago here, man. So I'm finna run downtown real quick, man, and see if I can get some footage with them real quick. Cause you know, May Rose is not up to par right now, so I don't know if she gonna make it. I might go to the track tonight. It's supposed to be meeting up with Demonology, but I don't know. So we gonna see about that. He said he'll probably be here the next couple of hours. So we gonna see about that. So man, we're finna get this footage real quick. Shoot down here before I go and get the baby. And yeah, man, we finna go do what we gotta do. But yeah, man, let me go ahead and get through this traffic, man. It's raining, so I don't even know how this gonna work out as far as the track and the show and all that. Like, I don't even know how this gonna work out. It's supposed to clear up tomorrow, but it's probably still gonna be wet though. So I don't know. We're gonna see. But in the meantime, man, y'all go ahead and do what y'all do, man. Go ahead and consider subscribing, man. Please, man, drop a like, please drop a comment, man, and hit that notification bell so that yeah, every time I drop, y'all be notified, man. Yeah. And if you haven't checked out the links in the description, man, go ahead, man, check out the merch, man. You know, this right here is vintage merch. Not as vintage as the first logo I dropped, but it's vintage merch. And I got some more. I ain't finna sit here. I ain't finna do it. And I got some more, you know what I'm saying, merch, man, that's finna drop. You know what I'm saying? So y'all, man, go and check the site out. Also, if y'all ain't already, man, please do me a real big favor, man, and go ahead, man, and follow my family channel, Life of Ash and B, man. If you're not already subscribed over there, man, please subscribe, man. Life of Ash and B, man. We're trying to grow that channel, man, you know what I'm saying, so we can bring y'all some family content, stuff we doing, man, with the kids, stuff we doing with each other, you know what I'm saying, adventurous stuff, man. Y'all know the honeymoon coming up. Come on now, y'all already know the honeymoon coming up. We finna, man, be somewhere exotic, Jack. So what y'all need to do, man, go on, walk on over there. Go on, subscribe to the channel, man. Life of Ash and B, man. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, show a little support over there, man. If y'all don't mind, it's free. It's free. It's free. I know when people say subscribe, y'all be thinking like money. Nah, it's free. It's free. But anyway, let me get on down this road, man. Hit y'all in a minute. Yeah, man. So we down here, man, looking at all these YouTubers. Yo! Down with all these YouTubers, man. So you got them guys down here, man. Look at them over there. They trying to get the Starbucks. Look at them. Folks over there trying to get the Starbucks over there, man. Look at them. Don't know what they doing, man. Come on. Go. Yo. What's going on, man?
What's up, little man?
Y'all out here trying to get coffee, man.
Hey, man.
Y'all like it's cold or something. What up, Ed? Hey, what's going on? What's happening?
Baby?
What's going on?
It's cold.
Hey, there.
What about you playing? What's good, G?
In Pittsburgh. Yeah.
Hey, this is what we talking about.
Man, I appreciate it.
Huh? Memphis Tn. T-I-N-T-D-R-T out there too, right? Yeah, you too. Hey, you know you with your dude, girl. Don't be looking at the pimp. All right, man. Let's go.
Yeah, come get some footage, man. Hey,
Hey,
you about the Caprice, right?
yeah.
You know who I am, right?
Man, man,
L Boogie.
oh man, what? Hey, why did I always think you was bigger, like a big dude?
Cause cameras make it look like that. You always look. Hey, I thought you was bigger.
No, I thought you. Look, I ain't lying, bro. It be a dude. It be a dude, no lie. That be speaking to me all the time. I be like, is that Boogie? Like he like a real big dude. Man, that's crazy. Come on, dude. Where you going? What you looking at? What you looking at? You looking at booties? Come on. You can't be looking at no booties. Come on. Yeah. He back here looking at booties.
I got you. Look at that. Yeah.
Yeah, Andrew good with the kids.
He ain't trying to scuff them shoes, boy.
Right. That's what it is. I was pulling him too fast.
Hey, you be dragging him a little bit.
Right. I was dragging him. He trying to look at the booty back there. I'm like, dude, what you looking at?
Man, I bought all
Jen is
Man.
a professional walker. Absolutely. They are striding us right now. Look at this. Look at this.
Hey.
Look, no, they are
All right.
in sync.
All right.
No.
So do the switch. Do the
No.
switch. Do the
They are
switch.
in sync, y'all.
Hey.
No, look at that.
Do the switch. Hey, do the switch. Do the switch.
Hey, okay.
What up?
Hey, shit. What's up, bro? How you doing? Good to see you, bro. Oh, hell no.
It's closed?
Nah,
man. We didn't do this for nothing. We gonna get something. Hey, what Dunkin'
You
Donuts?
gotta say it. You gotta say thank
Bruh.
Now we finna have to. Damn, why they closed at 5 o'clock?
No, they closed.
They supposed to be open
No,
in the morning.
they closed at 4. Dang, man.
Oh, man.
It's closed. It's closed. Hey, they got a trolley.
Pimpin', you need to do something. Get us in Starbucks now.
Guess what, then? You think I come out unprepared?
Yeah, get that lock pick out of there.
Let's do something fun then.
Pimpin', this ain't the place you want to go to jail, buddy. Come on.
It's like 4 miles. Let me get this first.
Look, you see a bus?
Gotta get the trolley, yo.
See the trolley?
Let's go. Hey, we'll come behind you. We know y'all will make it.
You see it? Look.
Nobody, everybody
See that
else.
bus?
Let's go ahead and give our orders to y'all. Since y'all walk so fast.
It's like a 12-minute walk.
You don't think we can make that?
Hold on, what's this?
We ain't got nothing else to do.
I'm trying to get my
Get that order.
You looking? What you looking for?
Dunkin' Donuts.
That's another Dunkin' Donuts.
And it's open till 6.
Man.
I don't even walk down here like that, so I don't even know.
Yeah. Man, that's a long way, though.
It said what's the mileage though? 0.5 miles.
Half a mile.
Come on, let's go. We got nothing else to do. Come on.
Hold on.
Hey, can we get on that trolley right there?
It's going to, oh.
I'm trying to see which way it got me walking.
He went back and showed us.
We gotta go back.
This way?
Yep.
He waved at me.
We gotta go back this way. Hey,
Yeah.
y'all ain't on it.
Bus. See the bus? You ready? Yeah. Man, I'm about to pick him up, man. We about to go do what we do, so hold on real quick. Uh-oh. See the car? They got these things. Got these things up here. C8 with the camo blue wrap.
We got Boston wheels? Yeah.
No, they're not
No,
Boston.
no,
They're
those are-
Boston.
Wide body nation.
Boston, but why you only do
Girls?
Yeah. Maybe you can come in. That's how they come. They don't need you.
Hey man. Hey man. Man, we down here, man, at the Gardena, man. And I done walk into this dude.
Oh man, what up, y'all?
Oh, Catfish, man.
Yes,
what's
sir.
the channel?
Catfish Corner on YouTube and Master Detailers on Instagram. Oh, girl over there.
Who?
My man.
Ah, come on,
You
let's
ain't
go.
never seen that.
Yeah, I see.
So,
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I ain't know a lot of people.
Yeah, I be looking at them cars now.
Yeah. We got here about
Man, you brought it to the meet
we got here
last year.
about 11 o'clock, 11:30 today.
Man, y'all been here.
They let her check in. I went to the Mercedes-Benz dealership.
Then when he said, I said, oh yeah, he in Collierville.
No, they had some heat up in there. Video dropping from that Wednesday.
Oh, okay. You didn't go to, you went to Collierville?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Right there, that's where it's at.
Right, that's what I said.
Yeah.
You was like, nah, I was saying, you was like, nah. I was like, oh yeah, you went to Collierville. You definitely went to Collierville.
Yeah, they're my people, man.
Man, Catfish be driving this thing, man. All the way from the shop, man.
Ain't no trailer queen.
Ain't no trailer queen. He driving, man. He finna drive. He drove it here. He finna drive it to the show.
Can't do rain. You got a couple of spots, but I got ceramic. Cause look at the side.
Yeah, yeah, I see it.
That's all you see. That ain't nothing.
Thing shining like new money.
My baby.
Shining like new money.
Hey, let me see how clean that boy is. On the thing on the side.
What? Oh yeah, Catfish Corner on YouTube. I was getting the Instagram.
Yeah, okay. How clean
Look at
that thing is, boy.
Man, look at these seats,
All
man.
original.
All original.
Untouched.
These seats ain't never been redone.
Nope.
Never been redone.
Nope.
Not a crack, wrinkled, butt mark, nothing on these seats, man.
Too. Look at that boy.
Look at that. Come on,
all
man.
Original. For people that don't know, original engine, original transmission, original paint, everything original. Just the way it came in 1992, and it'd be 30 years old January 1st.
92 Benz, man.
AMG. Get the back
AMG.
badge.
Hold on, wait a minute. Hold on, wait. Don't get it. Hold on now. Wait.
Tell them don't get it twisted.
Yeah, I see what's going on.
Holyfield.
Yeah, I see what's going on now. AMG 92, man. He's still driving it, John, like it's a 2022.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Man, y'all better stop playing with Catfish for real,
Yes, sir.
with the red brake calibers. Stop
Yes, sir.
playing.
Drill and slider too.
Ooh. Man, y'all better stop playing with
Hey,
Catfish.
got an exhaust on it too. Let me let him hit.
Here, get to him one time.
Exhaust on it too, guys. Yeah.
Man, y'all better stop playing with Catfish. Y'all heard that rumble? Stop playing with Catfish, man.
I ain't messing with it. I stay in my lane. I'm an import guy.
Yeah.
I got something coming to the channel in May. I'm
Uh-oh.
gonna break the internet, but I ain't telling yet.
So you ain't gonna tell the guys. So you ain't gonna say nothing.
Until it's
So you ain't gonna say
T's
nothing.
dotted
So you
and
ain't gonna say
I's
nothing.
crossed.
So you ain't gonna say
I ain't
nothing.
gonna do no, like some people, I'm going shopping.
Yeah.
No, sir.
He said he ain't gonna say
When
nothing.
I get when the T's dotted and the I's crossed, then I'm gonna let y'all see.
That's when I see it.
Yep.
The reveal will be when it's revealed. Y'all
Yes,
heard
sir.
what he said?
Yes, sir. Coming probably about May.
About May. I might have something coming by May.
But this ain't going nowhere. This is staying. This car ain't going nowhere.
Wait, I might have something coming by Christmas. But
If you do, then tell them when after everything. Done.
right, yeah, I tell him then.
Yes,
But
sir.
look, you see what I did?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah,
go
man,
follow my boy B-Lo, man. This my brother right here, man.
Hey, man.
I met him in Memphis.
Right.
Last-
No.
Wait a minute.
You met me on YouTube.
I met you on YouTube.
You met me on YouTube.
But I met you in
and
person.
we was coming back and forth
Right,
for
right.
years.
Right.
And then I actually met him in person
In Memphis.
in Memphis last year,
Last year.
at the other Scary Fair.
Yeah,
At the first
yeah,
annual.
yeah.
First annual, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
First annual Scary
Yes, sir.
Fair.
Yes, sir.
I actually met him, man.
That's
Good
my
people,
guy,
man. Real good
people,
guy,
good
man.
people, man.
I'm gonna have to let him put his hands on May Rose too. Like,
Yes, sir.
I got to do it.
Yes, sir. We're gonna have to do that.
If I come out to the shy,
I got you.
I gotta pull up on you.
I got you.
I got to.
I got you.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get something working though.
All right.
Better go up here and congregate with these people.
Yes, sir. I just got you.
Oh yeah. Hey, Pimpin' ain't used to that. Pimpin' got to get, look,
Hey.
Pimpin' ain't used to no ruckus. Hey, man, it's just, hey, look, we smooth as silk, man. We ain't got time to be sitting around no loud noises, man. We ain't loud. We don't want to be around nothing loud.
Jeez.
I ain't worried about it. My blessing's coming.
Ain't the man.
Yeah, Mr. Ain't a man. Look at this.
Help me do my first reel, man.
Look at this
With
shit.
his first reel.
This how you know when the money already made. Look, the money already made. Look, she just laying back, feet kicked up. Look, feet kicked up and shit. That's some shit. Ain't that some shit?